Welcome back to Popular Gadget Items. Today we're counting down the top 5 best DJ controllers in 2025, perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and pro DJs looking to upgrade their setup. We compare features, build quality, software compatibility, and price to help you choose the right controller for your style. If you're ready to mix, scratch, and perform like a pro, stay tuned, let's get into it. Number 5. The Numark Mixtrack Pro FX is designed for DJs who want professional performance without the intimidating learning curve. This 2-deck controller includes everything you need to start mixing right out of the box, with Serato DJ Lite included, plug-and-play USB connectivity, and a built-in 24-bit audio interface that keeps your sound clean and powerful. One of the standout features is the pair of 6-inch capacitive touch jog wheels, giving you the feel of a real turntable. Scratching, beat matching, and cueing feels smooth and responsive, ideal for both beginners and experienced DJs. Numark also includes dual FX paddles, allowing quick, fun ways to add transitions and energy to your mixes. With 6 built-in effects, instant loop buttons, and 8 performance pads on each deck, this controller gives you total control over cues, samples, and fader cuts. Connectivity is another strong point. You get a 1/4-inch microphone input, multiple headphone outputs, and RCA stereo outputs, making it easy to connect to speakers or a full sound system. Plus, Serato DJ Lite lets you stream millions of songs through Apple Music, Tidal, and SoundCloud. User reviews highlight its reliability and build quality. One DJ with 15 years of experience says it has the perfect set of essential features. Another praises its sound quality, ease of use, and excellent value. Compact, lightweight, and performance-focused, the Mixtrack Pro FX is a top choice for new DJs and seasoned pros looking for a portable setup. Number 4. The Hercules DJ Control Impulse 500 is an impressive mid-range DJ controller designed for DJs who want a feature-rich setup without overpaying. This 2-deck controller comes with a built-in audio interface and supports both Serato DJ Lite and Just, giving you the freedom to choose your preferred software right out of the box. From the moment you touch it, the build quality stands out. The faceplate features a sleek aluminum design, and the controller includes retractable or extendable feet, elevating it off the table, perfect for protecting your gear from accidental spills in crowded setups. The large jog wheels are touch-sensitive, making scratching, cueing, and browsing incredibly smooth and responsive. With 16 backlit RGB performance pads, loop-in/loop-out controls, and a dedicated filter section, the Impulse 500 gives DJs the tools to create dynamic transitions and add professional flair to their mixes. The hardware mixer includes an AUX input with its own volume and filter knob, plus a microphone input with EQ, making it ideal for live streams, small gigs, or party setups. User feedback is highly positive. One user praises the build quality, connectivity, and value, saying it's the best controller under $300. Another highlights its ease of use and solid durability, especially when paired with Serato DJ Lite. Portable, durable, and loaded with features, the Impulse 500 is a smart choice for DJs ready to step up their performance game. Number 3. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 is one of the most popular entry-level DJ controllers on the market, and for good reason. Designed for both Rekordbox and Serato DJ, this 2-deck controller packs professional performance features into a compact, polished graphite finish that looks premium on any setup. Setup is incredibly simple. Just download Rekordbox or Serato, plug in the controller, and you're ready to mix. Pioneer includes a clean, beginner-friendly layout, making it ideal for new DJs, but with enough depth for more experienced users. The jog wheels are responsive and smooth for beat matching and scratching, while the performance pads allow easy access to hot cues, samples, and loop functions. One of the standout features is Pioneer's smart mixing functions, including Smart Fader and Smart CFX. These allow quick, seamless transitions between tracks, even if you're still learning the basics of mixing. Controls feel refined, giving a taste of Pioneer's higher-tier club gear while staying portable and affordable. User reviews reinforce its value. One customer reports that Rekordbox worked flawlessly right after connecting the controller, praising its great price to performance ratio. Another user upgraded from the Numark Party Mix and says the DDJ FLX4 helped them learn quickly and grow with confidence, calling it perfect for both beginners and long-term use. Overall, the DDJ FLX4 delivers professional power in a beginner-friendly package, an excellent choice for anyone serious about starting their DJ journey. Number 2. The Roland DJ202 is a compact but powerful DJ controller that bridges traditional mixing with live music creation. Designed for Serato DJ Lite and eligible for a free Serato DJ Pro upgrade in the US after product registration. This controller gives beginners and gigging DJs a professional mixing experience without breaking the bank. What makes the DJ202 stand out is Roland's legendary heritage in electronic music. It includes built-in drum kits from the iconic TR-808, TR-909, and TR-606, powered by advanced ACB technology. This means you can add real drum patterns to your sets and create beats live, something no other DJ controller in this price range offers. The large, low-latency platters feel smooth and responsive, great for scratching, cueing, or precise beat matching. The onboard 16-step sequencer lets you control Serato's sampler and build beats on the fly, using dedicated pads for cues, loops, samples, and sequencing. There's also a microphone input with gate, echo, and reverb effects perfect for MCs or live stream performers. The unit is lightweight, rugged, and easy to carry, making it ideal for mobile DJs. User feedback highlights great value and ease of setup. One user confirmed the Serato Pro upgrade process works after registering on Roland's website. Another praises its portability and calls it a highly recommended option for beginners. The Roland DJ202 delivers serious performance capability, creative flexibility, and unique drum sequencing, an excellent choice for DJs ready to mix and create. Number 1. The Rain Performer is a flagship 4-channel motorized DJ controller built for professionals who demand the absolute best in feel, reliability, and creative control. This beast features 7-inch motorized aluminum platters with magnetic acrylic discs, giving you the sensation and accuracy of real turntables. With built-in platter displays showing waveforms, BPM, and song info, you can mix confidently without constantly looking at your laptop. Powered by Serato DJ Pro included, the Performer is fully loaded with advanced stem control, stem split, stem level, instant acapella/instrumental buttons, and stem pad mode, making live mashups easier than ever. Add to that the 29-paddle triggered FX for knob control channel effects and precision feel faders with the legendary Mag 4 crossfader, and you have unmatched expressiveness for scratching and performance routines. Connections are pro-grade. Dual XLR mic inputs, booth and main outputs, dual USB ports for seamless DJ switches, and headphone jacks in both 1/4 inch and 1x8. The metal chassis and premium controls make this controller feel like a tank built for years of heavy use. User reviews praise the build quality and performance. One buyer says nothing in this price range can compete, calling it the most reliable controller they've owned. Another loves the mixing experience coming from real turntables and Pioneer decks. If you need elite performance, durability, and the closest feel to real vinyl in a controller, the Rain Performer is in a league of its own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the top 5 best DJ controllers in 2025, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech and gear reviews. Drop a comment below and tell us which DJ controller you're thinking of getting, or if there's another product you want us to review next. Stay creative, keep mixing, and see you in the next video.